Hey there, Dakota Koopman Lumber outside sales. So we're at that job in Franklin. Just installed all the ICON screw joists right there. 30 minutes on the dot, 38 feet, done. Getting ready to do the blocking now. But the cool thing about this product is we do not need any hardware. So it's just some screws that go into the carrying beam and the ledger, and then you're done. No joist hangers, no hurricane ties, nothing. So the cool thing also is we're getting ready to do our blocking. So let's come down here. So the blocking just slides in. So you don't need to cut every single one and install it. So you just put it in on the end. There's Mike Taylor Renovations right there, getting ready to push it in. And it just goes between all these